A network just carry us through away, make una no vex. We don't come back. We no agree because we get many witness where they for court. So anything when network they do that one for your own. I still stand here, Angel still there with me, and Mr. Tel still there, they wait for waiting they come up from court. So nothing way network, even if na village people, we no go work for them. So make we go straight to waiting they happen for court, because as we know, the last place where we dey now where that mathematician from Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Oka, dey for witness stand. And we never hear from the Arise TV news video where they carry TV come court and the big speakers where they there. So this network no fit obstruct us. So I beg producer, give me wetin dey comot from court, make we begin the digest and they go. Dr. Etel, I beg, I'll come back to you now. You've been one start your talk, now that network come in, so I dey come back to you now, make we first get wetin dey happen for court. Producer, I beg, project that very something where there for court, make we dey see am. So my people, as we don't see, we too adopt our previous submission, that is the LP Council. We too adopt our previous submissions and only add the provisions of Order 3, Rule 3, Subsection 3 of the Civil Procedure Rules, which is categorical that the witness must be served and is mandated to provide a witness statement. Shall we proceed? The court ruling reserved for final judgment. LP, do you adopt your witness statement as your evidence in chief? Witness, may I cite it? Court presents it to him. Please, next. We had this from the previous one. So, witness, before the adoption, I would like to make some clarifications. Court said, no, you should not be able to do that. My lord, we humbly urge your lordship to allow him make minor correction, and it has already been allowed for in this proceeding. Witness, on page 5 of the document, table 3 of Rivers State document should replace with C, 2, and 3 of Benue State document. Court, is that a clarification? My lord, that is an amendment, a typographical error. So, when I don't see them as the thing take come out, we just they bring some of those things again. Court, the only way you can do that is to withdraw it and refile. But my lord, it has been done before. What amendment was made? It was similar. INEC, I was trying to recall it, but I think it was a minor insignificant alteration. I believe the only way out is to withdraw this and refile it. But I leave it to your discretion, my lord. Just repeating those things that just happened. And Tinubu's and Shetima's lawyers said, I align myself with the submission of my learned friend, A.B. Mahmoud, and leave it to your lordship discretion. Fourth respondent, which is APC, will also leave it to discretion of the court. I recall that Fagbemi San and Orijimi San amended previously, and we did not oppose. That is the normal procedure established. That is the LP lawyer talking now. Onyechi Ikpeazu San came in again and said, my lord, to make it easier, may I seek my lord's indulgence. I am now going to refer to where the documents are mentioned in his witness statement and seek to tender them through the witness. Now, sir, at paragraph 9, I 2 and 3, page 7 to 8 of your witness statement, you mentioned 3 reports. So this is Onyechi Ikpeazu now on the prowl. You know, say if you don't enter, you don't talk, like in talk before, things go begin happen. You can give waiting, then they call HTTP. That is a web address report of data analysis from result of the 2023 presidential election, IREF's cost investigation. Then another one, web address of data analysis from Rivers State, scores analysis. Result of the election of Benue State. Besides the 3 reports at page 3, paragraph B, you mention blood polling unit result in 18,088 polling unit results. So, my lord, I seek to tender the report. Now, Onyechi Ikpeazu San, now him bring this one come out. Then this Bola Tinubu's lawyer, Olanipe Kun, looking at the boxes of documents. I thought Dr. Levy's daughter was getting married, and what was in the cooler was Ashwebi. This man, they make cut joke, this Tinubu lawyer. But we no get time for joke, really, by this time. Only the sons and judges laughed, others barely laughed. So nobody, as I take talk you know laugh me because we don't get time. The chorus of objections has been flying around the tendering of witness statement under oath. Normally, it is supposed to be served for 8 hours prior, but this is an extreme situation as I take talk when we start, and we don't have time. 3 reports from the witness are admitted and tagged as exhibits. So my people, as they take the happen, now so will they take bring them, they come. So the justices said they understand that Labour Party got the subpoena late. That's why they were unable to serve the respondents with the witness statement for 8 hours prior to even yesterday. And they went ahead to admit and tagged respectively. You see that when I tell Ona, as soon as they look screen on, I go see them. So in most of these things, no, they happen, say, na Labour Party lawyers, na then they cause them. Now, waiting they come out from court. Even the justices, na then talk, say, the subpoena, then collect them late. So this thing no be from their hand. They are now to struggle, know how they go push them in. You know? So, Onyechi Ikpeazu san, at paragraph 5, you know, you were made an illusion of 18,088 blood pouring unit results sheets from IREV. If you are shown the documents, can you identify it? The witness say yes. So now, Bola Tinubu's lawyer say, may it please my lord, we would like to show the type of witness he is. If it is a star witness, it is 30 minutes. If it is a normal witness, it's 10 minutes. So even if he's a moon witness, he won't take the whole day. But now then they cause the thing. Anyway, court to our son, he say, are these documents certified by INEC? Please try to round up. We give you 3 minutes. So now so the court take talk. Dr. Etel, before we bring other things where they come out from court, as they take the show for screen, I beg, I just want make you for react about this subpoenas. I take talk and before network bios come out before. So make you for look at this subpoena issue where our people they vex say our lawyers no do wetin they supposed do. You don't see say true don't they come out, then they do their job well. I beg, make you react quickly. Make we go back to wetin they happen for court now.
Well, what I was saying initially before the network had a problem was simple. The INEC and APC knew that, their lawyers knew that there's no case here. They can't defend this result, neither can they defend this election, despite the fact that we have a sitting president. So they want to rely on jamming the court with technicalities, making spurious, asking spurious questions, finding ways to delay the process, you know, just to put the system in some kind of rat race, you know, shifting, adjourning, and what have you. So I want to believe that the lawyers to Labour Party and P2B understand this strategy so that they can counter them, find a way to shock them, to diffuse them, and to counter all this, their strategy to barge into the court, barge the court with technicalities and what have you. And secondly, I also want the judges to ask themselves an honest question. What is the essence of the court? Is a court a place where people come to play their games and whosoever could play that game smarter wins, or a place where justice is meant to be extracted? Is our court a place where people who are seeking justice will come and they say justice has been granted? The reason why I'm saying it is because will the court look at all this, look at it in a state? We are talking about 18,000 polling units. How many polling units do we have in Nigeria? And 18,000 polling units in a state is blood or missing. And INEC is there. Will the judge look at all these things and say, oh, I have looked at these two arguments. These people are more technical. And because their technicality surpass the other people's technicality, I give them judgment despite the evidence that shows that there is a gross misconduct, that Nigerians were raped and stolen, their mandate stolen from them. Will they look at this evidence? Will they ask themselves, what am I sitting here wearing this wig to do? Is it to listen to someone who is smarter, or to listen to and check to know whether indeed there was a fraud? What if this evidence was not submitted 10 minutes to the time or something of that nature? And it is because, as you can see now, INEC is running, the chairman can be served. And maybe by the time, the reason why he's running away is just to make sure that subpoena that is issued against him expires. What will the court do is the question I keep asking, especially with respect to their final judgment. I keep asking this question because this is what has kept Nigeria in a rat race for 60 years. Thank you.
Okay. Dr. Ete, I bet when you want to talk again, make you bring your voice up small. Then, we don't hear waiting you talk. My people, as we won't go show the things where we say they come out from court. When I know say network bias come out before, and most of our people don't no say will come back again. I beg, as you dey here now, make you for like and share this video, make them get notification again. I beg, if you dey there, what you if you do for us and do for P2B and the obedient movement now to like and share this video again, make them come. Because as we did before, over 2,000 people dey there, they watch them, and 9 network can't carry us through way. We no agree, we can't come back again. So we want make them know as the things that happen. So I beg, like and share and make your comment for that very place. Okay, so I beg, producer, drop waiting come last for that screen so that I go explain again to our people waiting day there. Okay, so Ikpeazu, Onyechi Ikpeazu San, contact say, my Lord, we are very grateful and we seek to tender the 18,088 blood polling unit result and the ones uncovered. And I go see say, blood results where they talk about now, more than 18,000 results will come from IRF, their blood. Make una for they understand why our lawyers, they want tender results where we say blood. So because we won't know how INEC take announce results when the results they blow. How they might then take see the results where we say they blow. You see, so that's why we want that subpoena, whether it come through PDPO or it come through P2B or LP, because all of them are petitioners. Anyone will be say it succeed, carry and come, Ingo answer the question. So court contact say whether any objection to all these blood results where they don't carry enter. So the first to fourth respondent then can say we object and we give our full reason at the point of address. Anyway, I thank God say even our lawyers and the PDP lawyers don't talk say make them carry the same documents come. Say if Mahmoud they come court, make him carry this carry and come so that we go know whether they go object to the same documents. And then, so the witness as we they talk now still there for stand. So the bundles of the blood report contained in the 4 boxes was admitted and tagged as exhibit PC E1 to 4. So now so that one day, but that's evident, that very witness still there. So my people, you get the one where we say there for screen now. Now LP, my Lord, I seek to tender the letter and subpoena from the second petitioner, that is our witness, PW4. The letter is a letter of engagement from Labour Party to carry out data analysis for the 2023 election. Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer objecting to the letter also, but not the subpoena. Say then they object to the letter where then they talk. Say then engage the person, but they know they object to the subpoena. So APC lawyer talks say not objecting to the letter and objecting to the subpoena. So they know they both all of them know they object to the Okay, not objecting to the letter, but objecting to the subpoena. Okay, then do and vice versa. Okay, then don't try. Court can't say the subpoena and letter are hereby admitted. So court say no mind them waiting, then they talk. Now you come admit the whole thing. So examination in chief for the chief witness, where they want as it in there over now, and he will be cross-examined tomorrow by 9 a.m. That means tomorrow, this very person then go begin to ask him the question and answer will be say if they follow come. Now, this Tinubu lawyer, Dr. Etel, you did DRB, I sure say next one never carry you through away. Okay, you did. Okay, good. Okay, this very Bola Tinubu's lawyer where they, you know, say I talked before network carry us through away. Say today I get something for my mind for that man because the way they talk how they go serve INEC and other one where you can chook him out enter waiting consign INEC. The thing vex me yesterday, so I can't do small research on the man. The man gets small, whether I go call him big or being a medium corruption issue before. And I go want make we for display him, make our people foresee him small because some of these people where they come out, we know say they respect them as son, no? But make you no think say as we there here, say we know me or we don't know what thing they talk, or we know even be Nigerian where we say what thing they happen for court go consign us. If forget saying that we vote. And our vote, then they defend for dear. Now our own vote, Peter Obi be the person where we bring. Some people bring article, and now not be their single vote, now vote of millions of Nigerians. Now we they defend. So as you see for screen now, you go see say this same man get issue, and that very issue where he gets on Agosia, he was even asked to resign as chairman of body of benchers in 2022. You see. Our producer, this very write-up where they there, where in law firm right, I go want make you sure high intake right one this thing against one thing where happen for Rivers State government. Say in go fit to recover the money because of say in know how the things they take happen. Make I read the thing for now. I am writing specifically in relation to the ongoing 130 million case in Rivers State court brought by Rivers State government against Saipen SPA, Saipen Nigeria, and others. I believe that you need a more influential law firm to prevent a potential huge payout to the government. And without a doubt, I believe that my law firm, Wala Olanipekun and Co., can help you in this regard. A quick research about Wale Olanipeku and Co. will show that the law firm is the leading litigation firm that has helped other multinationals in sensitive, highly political matters. It will also reveal that the presence of our lead partner, Chief Olanipeku-san, OFR, in this matter will significantly switch things in favor of Saipen. Chief Olanipeku-san is currently the chairman of the body of benchers, which is the highest ruling body in the Nigerian legal profession, made up of Supreme Court judges, presiding justices of the Court of Appeal, and chief justice of all the state's high courts, including the Rivers State High Court. So, what all these things they mean? Wetin they mean? They write to people, make them forgive and chop. Say him go use his own influence. So he know all the judge and he know all the justices were there for Nigeria, including the Supreme Court judge. So even the people were there for this Court of Appeal where we there. So he know all of them and he know how the thing go change. Na job in the solicit for. Na job in the solicit for. You know why I bring this thing in? Make we shine our eye. Judiciary, we know say Peter Obi get trust for where on a day. No be say we no get trust for where on a day. But some things we go bring am out. Make we say, make una no compromise. No matter how this man or in oga or the person wey employ am know everybody wey dey for court. Make una know say una independence dey different. And make una know say na the future of Nigeria now we dey talk. So I just bring this one, make I for sure una say the person wey be say they represent Bola me Tinubu for there. He don't talk say he know everybody where they for there. For certain another matter, now they tell other people, now they write another body. Say if they give them the job, say know how to persuade them, know how to change the something for their own benefit. My people, I dey bring this thing up, no be say my mouth they do me to talk am. I dey bring am out, make we for know and make them know say we dey watch, we dey see everything where they go on. Now the same favor, now they go ask. Okay, yes, okay, Dr. Ete, I know say you see say I don't begin the verse, now you dey stop me, okay.
Aside from the fact that you're bringing it up and telling the judges, this also goes to reveal the pattern of what we have been doing this week is we have a guest here anyway, but she's also bothered about Nigeria, so she's talking, she's complaining. But now, what the pattern of what we've been doing this week goes to tell to a large extent how our judiciary have been manifesting a pattern of compromise. Our judiciary, a pattern of compromise. The senator said, I manipulated my wife, who is the president of the appeal court. Another senator is asking the former Senate president, how did you come back without even participating in primary? And here we had the lead counsel to the respondent showing that in previously, he's been using his position amongst the body of benchers to manipulate them or to throw his weight around. Whether justice is done or not, his presence is there to influence things to produce a positive outcome for his clients. It is unfortunate, but we believe that all those things will be reversed, that all these weaknesses, all these infractions, all this lack of independence that had been reported about our judiciary will not prevail in this situation.
So our people, I want to make we know whether other thing court as we get different other witnesses like the Arise TV News channel this thing witness where they. So whether if he dey or waiting court don't talk, make we for know, make gonna give us update so that we go show our people as it take be. Okay, I can see something on the screen. My Lord, subject to your discretion, we still have another witness to call. Court can ask them, say, how many witnesses? One witness, my Lord. Court say, oh, yes, call the witness. Thank you, my Lord. Okuete-san will take the witness. And then that Okuete-san come on and say, our next witness also is a witness on subpoena and he's here in court from Arise TV. So now for this Arise TV person, now I think that very video issue go just come up, make we know wetin be the main thing wey be say e dey for that very video. And why would they wait make them prepare that video to come in? I won't use that very opportunity as they come to bring something up. And waiting I won't bring, make the thing come up. Now just two things, very, very quick, so that we go put waiting this Arise video thing. Make the, when our people know whether they go fit download waiting as it take happen. As I won't bring this one, make una just endure more because I know saying a cutting on a one here, but make I bring this one. Yesterday, this Abdurrashid Bawa of EFCC, that is the chairman of EFCC, we hear say then give a suspension. But we will know say when you hear that kind of suspension, na sack, na in the full arm. We know. Whether DSS don't even carry them, we don't know. But you get why where I won't bring them to our attention. Because I they bring the thing as it take consign us. So no be say I just they divert. Now as it take consign us. As Tinubu enter as president, where he be for the select people where be say them put them for there. Of course, we get people where be say they no agree, say he be their president. So and me, I dey inside that one. So as we don't see how things they happen. Emefiele own, that is the central bank governor, he own happen. this one happen. I go still talk about that central bank own, but first make I bring EFCC own. I wan remind una say e get how I dey take see this very suspension. This Abdulrasheed Bawa, as he enter to become the chairman of this thing, one of the things wey him first do, him begin dey investigate Tinubu. I wan make una see am, and this one no be say na me formulate am before dem go talk say na me go start am. Make dem go for People's Gazette, make dem go read am. E dey there. EFCC goes after Bola Tinubu about corruption, rise CCB for ex-Lagos governor's asset document. If una check the date, una go see say na March 2nd, 2021. Moreover, even before this very 2021, e get even later wey be say dem send. Abeg project our producer make you for project this letter. You una go see am na letter from Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, 6th November 2020. Now, this thing na from People's Gazette. This one na caveat emptor na I dey put in o. So no be from me, na from wetin dey when I don do research, when I see na I dey bring come for na. So now this thing na from this thing, investigation activity. There are two people dey there, but dem come block am. The one wey una go see there na Bola Tinubu. This very commission letter dated 4 September 2020 and your response with reference dated 9th October 2020 of the above subject matter. You are kindly requested to furnish the commission with the outstanding request information of Bola Ahmed Adekunle Tinubu. This request is made pursuant to section 38(1) and 2 of Economic and Financial Commission. Now, wetin I dey bring am? This one wey dey add Adekunle there, if no be Bola Ahmed Tinubu wey we know, then na im be say na People's Gazette na im dey go ask that one. But as I do research for wetin dey happen, I see say dem don fire this man. For my mind, I begin dey talk wetin this man don do now wey be say dem no even give am chance make e for talk. Him just go see Tinubu. As he see am comot, na for e be like say him read am for newspaper, abi na for news na him dey hear say dem don suspend, abi dem don fire am. Na him DSS wan come kpai am as dem do CBN governor. But now I come say make I do small research. Now I dey see these ones, I say make I bring am come. So e be like say anybody wan talk pim for here, or anybody wey be say e don check wetin you do before, dem go comot am for seat. I no know whether na the right way to dey go. However, that one na for one side. My producer, make you check whether our people don produce wetin dey for court. If they never produce am, make I give them another thing when I also see about Emefiele. Angel, be like say Oma dey do muimu.
No, Dr. Tell want to say something.
Okay, Doctor, I talk. You know, say I don't know whether they hear am. Why I make you talk?
Chairman case is listening. In Nigeria, we have a system whereby almost the system, all of them ran in the past 8 years. Everybody can be rounded up by the police because the skeleton in the cupboard of all of them. Why hasn't the Idirika, the former Minister of Aviation, picked up? He did a 419. He did Yahoo to the whole Nigeria, bringing an aircraft that does not belong to Nigeria, pretending it belongs to Nigeria. Why haven't they done a thing? I mean, the EFCC chairman is not clean. He should be in jail under normal circumstances. But my own is, if he wants to pick, let him pick all of them and put all of them in jail, not selective. That's
Hello, Dr. Ter. It seems like you are done. Okay, my people. So this network still the gate issue, but as soon as the thing still hold on for us, make I continue. I beg my people, make una try do quick project wetin happen with the Arise TV presenter. Our people want know wetin the Arise people they showcase. I beg, make we for show them the video and waiting as they take happen for court. I beg quick. The Emefiele, that is the central bank governor's issue. Waiting I get to talk about that one, they do too much because he get waiting they verse me for inside. Say him and Tinubu really scam over 200 million Nigerians. Make una check, you get wetin he talk when I read. I do small research, I can't see. And it be like saying a news it be. But you quickly die down as many things they take die. Every news will come out, go just quickly die for Nigeria because then go invent something where we say you go make that one die. One of the news we say that man sing even from the second day where them talk say he did DSS custody, he begins sing. He talk say the money where they even talk. Say na money when they release to one minister like that. I bet on a project that something make people for see. We talk say na every month he go disburse how many make them for display that something make on say make it no be say na me they even talk am. E dey every month you go disburse big money to this to I think the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs. But make we hold on with that one because that them talk say they no put them for their program in today. We go hold them na another day. I go fit bring that very one up. Then the other thing na the court matter. If I get the one where we say then they talk for court now make on for put them for screen make I for show our people. So, Dr. Etel. Hello, Dr. Etel. You dead, yeah? Okay, be like say Dr. Etel, we don't lose him. But anyway, make we just look at one of the things where we hope for here when I get for my desk. I get one justice of Supreme Court. Think that justice Koderat Kekere Edun Ekun of that is should be a former justice. That one that give this thing to Ihedioha. That's one of the people that declared the governor of Imo State. We know say he get this thing. I just they talk about the karma where they follow. What happened to his son. If we know what happened, I just they refer to our justices and our judges. May they know say some things where they happen karma the day, you know. So if you see for our screen now, how the son is wanted for more than the UK, and there is another news. This one for premium times. And if you go read the news for there, how it take happen, because when you do some things where we say you fit think say they right, but if it they wrong, some things fit happen. If you get another of the banner we wanna do, make you for put them here, direct people where those news they make them go they read them for there so that we go continue waiting they do. US denies Nigerian Supreme Court Justice Kekere Ekun visa over corruption. This one now waiting, make gonna check the dates and then I go see the news where I come out from. So waiting at the talk, my people. They just they plead with our justice people and all the judges will be said and they say as much as we go talk for many times say our eyes there for dear we are watching you, we pray may God guide you for your decision. So it be like say things don't begin to enter for court again. So we get the subpoena was not served on you personal. Witness said to whom was the subpoena addressed? To my organization. Do you have a copy of the subpoena with you? Witness says, I do. And this one at the Arise TV witness. So they say, please, can I have it? Collect. My Lord, I seek to tender the subpoena in evidence. So now that very Arise TV presenter, now in the is still sit down for witness stand, and then they try to bring us waiting they come on. They won't make I see how waiting the video where they carry come, where they won't show everybody where they there, where they carry big speaker. Court can't ask any objection. The first to fourth respondent counsel, no objection, my Lord, they no object. There are no objection from the respondents on this witness. This one, real. I wonder how they no object for this one. Anyway, subpoena and court has admitted and tagged it as PCG. Now, LP lawyer said, do you have any ID to show you work in that organization? The witness say yes. Then the LP lawyer said, my lord, I was tendering the ID card and I applied to make a photocopy. So he won't carry the photocopy of that thing, make it no be say later. Then go talk say, no be that same witness from Arise, na him can do. So the ID card of the witness has been admitted as an exhibit. Judge ruled that a copy of the ID cards be made and the original returned to the witness. So then go do photocopy of that very witness ID card. So that then go preserve and say, na person will come from Arise. So LP lawyer said, following the subpoena, you filed a written witness statement on oath. Do you adopt same as your evidence in court? Witness said yes. First of all, respondent counsel objecting. I think say they no object to this witness before. But anyway, make we dey go on. Labour Party, in paragraph 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, you made mention of a flash drive. Do you have it with you? Witness, yes. Labour Party said, my lord, I seek to tender the flash drive in evidence containing video recordings to be shared with my learned colleagues. So when I see say this Arise TV person carry flash drive come and then won't show us waiting there for inside the flash drive. Make we know whether now the thing where they very important, because for them to carry TV they come court now him be say he get as he be. Then go one shoe and correct as he take be. And this one maybe in a star witness, I don't know. So let's make we dey go. If we get the update or the video where they won't plug in, as they call then they won't plug in that very video, make we foresee them. So while we dey wait for this very video, you get another thing when I won't bring to our attention. So the video where we say they won't show now. Now that very one of Chatham House. Now that INEC Chatham House video. Now they won't show. So my people, make una see how that one go take go now. So while it go now, that is the INEC chairman in Chatham House. It be like saying now waiting the one show. So my people, while they try to get that very video as it happen for court, make we for look at waiting David Hundeyin talk this morning. My people, make una know say as the video then they play am for there, we go download, then go put them together, then go show una. So make una know they too much in hurry, because they easy to they project these things immediately as it take they happen. Even one of our brother way there for US help us with some things where we say it go help us to the function well. We greet you and we say thumbs up, all obedience. Make gonna help us greet that our brother with the support, where support us with some equipment where go help us. So that one we receive them from US this morning. So we'll apply and make things they come out in real time. So I beg, make we look at David Hundeyin tweet this morning about waiting in the sea about the loan where BAT approved for youths. So this one na David Hundeyin tweet, and when I see him, make una know say David Hundeyin na that very investigative journalist where we say they come many times for our platform and they follow him, so we know as they go. So you fit also follow him to see how you take put this very thing through today. What they talk about now that bill where Tinubu sign, he take how he take describe that very thing. Saying don't look and well, say he really that bill no favor students. But make una see waiting, make I just read them out while our people they prepare that evidence. So we say then they show for court now. I actually just read through this Student Loan Act and I've realized that I've been wasting my breath arguing. It be like say, hear people will be say then they argue with them for the thing. So Chapo Batman, na Tinubu in the call Chapo Batman. So I don't know how in the call and Chapo, and I go know that one. So has no genuine intention of giving out any silly student loans. Na pure bobo, Baba just they win. So make una dey read behind the line because in get take as in they put slangs for inside. Let me break down the loan condition. So make we see the next one as in the break, and they say two things I forgot to add to that thread about the Student Loan Act. First, Nigeria's legal minimum wage is 30,000 naira per month. To have a household income less than 500,000 naira, one or both parents will need to earn less than minimum wage, which is illegal. In other words, if they talk say that loan where they talk say they won't give students, say it no go work. Make we see how intake put the thread on. Now, the next thread, that is the next slide, make una for put am. So the last line looks so innocent, but guess what? Have you ever tried submitting proof of income to a Nigerian government agency before? That one a question weighing asks. You know what document they ask for. Meaning say if you go there, you know say they go ask you. And wetin be that document? In talk say that's right. Tax clearance certificate. You know what that is excludes. Every blue color. Okay, that's excludes. So you know say our people and tax, they no be boyfriend and girlfriend. So if they talk say for you to proceed with this thing, now be say you go get tax clearance certificate. So to get this student loan, you need to bring a director level civil servant or a lawyer with 19 years post call history. Now 10 years be that, or a judge. Leave the 19 na 10 suppose they there. Why would anyone who has access to these people need a student loan? Now, good question he asks. If you get access to a judge and you don't become a director level civil servant, what if they go need that very money where then they talk for? Because those people get money, get how then they get the money. So now he asks the question. Next slide. I beg, why would they go through this one? I beg, make una for bring this very video, make our people for help watch this very video. If the students or their parents have ever defaulted on any previous loan, i.e., if they have missed payment on PAMPay, OPay, LAPO before, they are not allowed to apply for the loan. Now, my people, as we don't get that very video, we go just go back straight to wetin dey happen for court. Make una go David Hundeyin tweet page. Make una see everything, how he take talk am. So, if you think say the student loan go favor you, make you go ahead. But wetin in the talk there, make you go read and know whether make you no go waste your time. As in talk say na waste of time. Make you go see wetin in talk. Then go check the act itself so that you go know whether it apply to you or whether you go fit succeed. So back to court, abeg producer, put this very video where our people wan show court right now. Put them now, make our people see them. Our people, make as una dey view this video, make una like, share, comment, make other people wey be say our network throw away before, make them for watch them immediately. Abeg, like and share, very important. Producer, abeg, put them on.
This informed the early choice of a new voter accreditation technology using an electronic device called the bimodal voter accreditation system. We have tested it in several by-elections and off-cycle governorship elections. In addition, the decision to make polling unit election results available for public viewing, which has always been a major demand by citizens and election observers, falls into this early choice of election technology. The INEC Results Viewing Portal, the IREV, is a dedicated web portal for the public view of polling unit results as soon as they are finalized on election day.
So my people, now we go just cut them short. The video dey long and our time don't already give signal. But when I don't hear waiting INEC person talk, Chamo talk for Chatham House. Now the video, the full one, now then they give them. And that very full one, if we want listen to them, it go there long. But the most important thing, now that same thing where the man they give, both on international media and the Nigerian media, say they must use beavers to transmit result to IREV. Now that same something, then they re-echo, and it get reason why our people, they always bring that very thing in. About three other witnesses testifying. Then tomorrow morning, they are going to take the other star witness again. So as he take B, the court, they adjourn. So what you go talk now? Make we for no prolong, because network, they really deal with us today. With this one, I go say, make I pass to Angel, because since when I dey talk, she never even talk. Make una hear from her small before we waka come out for studio.
My obedient family, thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you all. We are very sorry for the network wahala. Una know say na Naija we dey. Now all these things where our principal won't correct. So that when you pay for something, you know say you go get that thing 100%. I beg me una no fear. For all these things where INEC people they do, you know say that saying where say every day for the thief, one day for the owner of the house. Now we get the house, we don't catch them. They do kitty kitty. When they go to court, they go just they laugh. Who won't laugh with them? We no one laugh with them. Now our case, our mandate, now we want. My people, make una no verse. Tomorrow, na another day. We thank so much, Dr. Tell. We appreciate you. Every day you go leave your work, leave everything. Dedicate your time to obedient family. My obedient people, where they watch us, may una no tire. If you they watch us, they enjoy them. You know can like, you know can subscribe, you know can share. Wait till you can gain. I beg, help us. Like, click, like them, share them to others. Make them see what in they happen. Make them know say our court case they go jeje. We go win them with prayers. We go, God go help us. All this confession where they go up and down. By people with prayers, this I believe in this judiciary. They go do something. And this our mandate, we go reclaim them back. Thank you so much for being with us today. Tomorrow is another day. Bye for now.